In the world of striving and hustle, there's a hidden truth many overlook. Sometimes, the more we push, the further we slip. Enter Miyamoto Musashi, the legendary samurai whose wisdom challenges the very essence of effort. His mantra resonates with anyone who's ever felt like they're running on a hamster wheel, expending energy without progress. It's a paradox worth exploring. The harder we strain, the more elusive success becomes. But Musashi isn't just a bearer of bad news. He offers a roadmap to navigate this conundrum, guiding us towards a more effective and fulfilling path. So, let's delve into Musashi's world, where the key to success isn't just in the sweat on our brow, but in the clarity of our approach. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join our community on a quest for a more resilient and fulfilling life. 1. Paradox of effort. Miyamoto Musashi, the legendary samurai, noticed something peculiar about human effort. Sometimes when we try really hard, things don't turn out the way we expect. It's like pushing against a door that won't budge no matter how hard you try. Musashi's insight challenges what many of us believe about working hard to achieve success. In a world where we're often told to give it our all and push ourselves to the limit, Musashi's observation suggests that there's more to success than just putting in maximum effort. It's like realizing that sometimes trying too hard can actually make things worse, like squeezing a handful of sand and watching it slip through your fingers. Musashi's wisdom urges us to reconsider our approach to effort and to recognize that there's a delicate balance between striving for our goals and allowing things to unfold naturally. 2. Counterintuitive notion. Imagine this. You're on a journey to climb a mountain, and you've been told that the harder you try, the closer you'll get to the top. But what if that's not always the case? What if, instead of pushing yourself to your limits, taking a step back and finding a more balanced approach actually brings you greater success? That's the idea Miyamoto Musashi presents, a notion that goes against the grain of what we're often taught about effort and determination. In a world where we're bombarded with messages about hustle culture and grinding our way to success, Musashi's perspective offers a refreshing alternative. It's like realizing that sometimes less is more, and that pushing too hard can actually hinder our progress rather than propel us forward. 3. The pitfalls of overexertion. Picture this. You're trying to open a stubborn jar lid and you're twisting and turning with all your might. But despite your efforts, the lid just won't budge and you end up feeling frustrated and exhausted. That's what Miyamoto Musashi warns against, the dangers of trying too hard. He noticed that when we push ourselves too much, whether in a task like opening a jar or in bigger things like work or relationships, it can backfire. It's like running on a treadmill at full speed, but never getting anywhere. Musashi believed that when we overexert ourselves, we waste precious energy, cloud our minds with unnecessary stress, and make it harder to make good decisions. It's like trying to think clearly with a foggy brain. It just doesn't work. Instead, Musashi suggests a different approach, one that involves being relaxed and ready, like a calm lake waiting for a stone to skip across its surface. It's about finding a balance between effort and ease, where we can respond to challenges with clarity and focus, without all the unnecessary strain and struggle. 4. Relaxed readiness. Imagine you're a surfer waiting for the perfect wave. You're not tense or anxious, you're relaxed and focused, ready to catch that wave when it comes. That's the kind of mindset Miyamoto Musashi encourages, a state of relaxed readiness. It's like being a coiled spring, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. Musashi believed that when we're too tense or stressed, we can't perform at our best. It's like trying to play a piano with stiff fingers. The music just doesn't flow. Instead, Musashi teaches us to cultivate a calm and focused awareness, like a warrior poised for battle. It's about being present in the moment, without all the unnecessary tension and worry. When we approach challenges with this mindset, we're better able to respond effectively, like a skilled archer hitting the bullseye with ease. I hope you are enjoying the video so far and have learned something, and if so, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to continue to grow. 5. Efficiency of action. Let's think of effort like a toolbox. We want to use the right tool for the job, not every tool all at once. Miyamoto Musashi understood this well. He believed that every action, decision, and thought should have a purpose, like pieces of a puzzle fitting together just right. It's like cooking a meal. You don't throw in every ingredient you have, just the ones that make the dish taste best. Musashi warned against wasting energy on things that don't matter, like spinning our wheels in mud. Instead, he encourages us to focus on what's essential, like a laser beam cutting through the darkness. When we do this, we become more efficient, like a well-oiled machine humming along smoothly. So the next time you're faced with a challenge, ask yourself, what's the most effective way to tackle this? By trimming away the excess and honing in on what truly matters, you'll find yourself making progress with less effort and more ease. 6. Finding the middle path. Imagine you're walking on a tightrope, too far to one side, and you'll fall off, too far to the other, and you'll lose your balance. Miyamoto Musashi understood the importance of finding the middle path, a balanced approach to effort. It's like Goldilocks finding the porridge that's just right, not too hot, not too cold, but just perfect. Musashi warns against trying too hard, like a horse pulling a heavy cart uphill. Eventually, you'll tire out. But he also cautions against not trying enough, like a lazy river meandering aimlessly. You won't get anywhere. Instead, Musashi teaches us to find that sweet spot in the middle, where effort meets ease, like a boat sailing smoothly with the wind at its back. It's about knowing when to push forward and when to take a step back, like a wise chess player plotting their next move. 7. Embracing nothingness. Think of your mind as a room cluttered with unnecessary stuff, old clothes, broken toys, and dusty books. Miyamoto Musashi teaches us to clear out that clutter and make space for what truly matters. He calls this mu, or nothingness, but don't let the name fool you. It's not about emptiness, but about openness. It's like cleaning out your closet and realizing how much lighter you feel without all that junk weighing you down. Musashi encourages us to let go of our preconceived notions, desires, and distractions, like releasing a bunch of balloons into the sky and watching them float away. When we do this, we create room for new possibilities to enter our lives, like opening a window and letting in a fresh breeze. Embracing nothingness means being open to whatever comes our way, like a blank canvas waiting for an artist's brushstrokes. In conclusion, Miyamoto Musashi's philosophy on effort presents a profound shift in perspective, challenging the conventional wisdom that relentless striving always leads to success. Through his teachings, Musashi highlights the importance of balance, mindfulness, and efficiency in our approach to challenges. He warns against the perils of overexertion and advocates for a state of relaxed readiness, where actions are purposeful and focused. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, leave a comment below, share what topic have helped you. Also, let us know what other topics you'd like us to explore in future videos. Remember to subscribe to our channel now for more weekly wisdom insights. Stay tuned, and until next time, take care.